Hey you all, a short video here on two Linden sites. The Linwood Inn Tap House. From early hotel to community anchor nestled within the heart of Linden, the Linden Tap House carries with it a rich narrative deeply intertwined with the town's growth and transformation. Housed in what was once the historic Linden Park Hotel, this building predates Union County's formation in 1862 and has played a central role in the community for generations. In its early years, the Linden Park Hotel was more than just a place to rest. It was a hub of governance, hosting town council meetings, and nearly serving as Linden's city hall. With the expansion of railroads during the mid-19th century, the hotel became a haven for railroad travelers, its location directly across from the train station, strategically linking it to the bustling growth of New Jersey's rail infrastructure. Fast forward to 1971, when the Nishimka family breathed new life into the building, transforming it into the Linwood Inn Tap House. Initially catering to hard-working employees of the nearby General Motors plant, the tap house evolved over decades, adapting to the changing tides of the community. By the early 2000s, John Nishimka expanded its offerings, blending tradition with innovation to serve new generations of patrons. Overcoming challenges, including a heated eminent domain battle in 2004, the tap house stands today as a pillar of resilience and local pride. It has remained a steadfast supporter of the community, sponsoring local sports leagues, and preserving the history and spirit of the Linden Park Hotel. From its roots as a 19th century railroad hotel to its modern-day status as a beloved local establishment, the Linden Tap House weaves together history, perseverance, and community spirit. The Woodhouse, echoes of early colonial life, standing proudly as a sentinel of history. The Woodhouse bears witness to the architectural and cultural legacy of the early American colonies. Rebuilt in the early 1770s upon a foundation dating back to 1702, this home tells a story of resilience and significance, a testament to its importance in the community's past. The Georgian architectural style of the house, so characteristic of 18th century America, speaks to an era of growth and stability. Symmetry, proportion, and classical details define its design, a design that once symbolized prosperity. Likely featuring a central hall plan and a formal facade, the Woodhouse would have been a standout residence of its time. Remarkably, even after 2.5 centuries, this historic farmhouse endures, embracing modernity while preserving its timeless charm. The Woodhouse remains an anchor steadying Linden amidst the current of time, a bridge between the past and the present, an enduring chapter in Linden's history.